14 Growing Industry of the Future 2023 version. Get ready for the future because the next decade will bring about massive changes in how you live and work. With the advent of internet, your lives and lifestyles have changed. Every element of your everyday life is not impacted by the internet and its applications. So, here we are going to discuss 14 growing industries for the future. The future of the internet is expected to be characterized by continued innovation and growth, with new technologies and applications emerging that will shape and transform modern life. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence, AI and Machine Learning. Artificial intelligence refers to the stimulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think and act like humans. AI can be used in a variety of applications, including robotics, computer vision, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Machine learning algorithms can be used to make predictions, classify data, and identify patterns, among other tasks. Some key areas with AI and ML are expected to have an impact are marketing and advertising. AI and ML technologies are expected to help companies better understand and target their audience, enabling more effective marketing and advertising strategies. Manufacturing. AI and ML are expected to play a role in improving efficiency and quality of manufacturing processes, as well as reducing waste and minimizing downtime. Number 2. Virtual and Augmented Reality. Virtual reality (VR) is a computer-generated simulation for a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment, such as a headset with a screen or screen inside. Augmented reality (AR) refers to the integration of digital transformation, such as graphics, sound, or video into the physical world. Virtual reality (VR) works by using computer-generated images and sounds to create a simulated environment that is displayed on a headset or other device worn by the user. Number 3. Healthcare and Biotechnology. Healthcare and biotechnology are two interrelated industries that aim to improve human health through scientific research, technology, and medical treatments. Healthcare is a vast industry that encompasses a wide range of services and products aimed at preventing, diagnosing, and treating health conditions. Healthcare and biotechnology industries work together to advance human health by providing access to effective medical treatments, developing new technologies and drugs, and improving health outcomes through research and innovation. Number 4. Renewable energy and energy efficiency. Renewable energy and energy efficiency are two interrelated industries that aim to reduce the reliance on non-renewable energy sources and increase the use of sustainable and clean energy. Renewable energy involves the production of energy from natural, replenishable sources such as solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and bioenergy. Energy efficiency, on the other hand, refers to the use of technology, design, and practices that reduces the amount of energy required to perform a task or provide a service. Number 5. 5G and Next Generation Telecommunications. 5G and Next Generation Telecommunications refers to the latest advancements in telecommunications technology, including the fifth generation of mobile networks 5G and other related technologies. 5G is the latest iteration of mobile networks and is designed to provide faster next-generation telecommunications, encompasses a wide range of technologies and trends, including 5G, the Internet of Things (IoT), edge computing, and cloud computing, among others. Number 6. E-commerce and online marketplaces. E-commerce refers to electronic commerce, while online marketplaces refer to digital platforms that connect buyers and sellers, often acting as intermediaries between the two parties. Here is a list of some most well-known e-commerce and online marketplace companies. E-commerce are Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Etsy, Shopify. Online marketplaces are Airbnb, Uber, Postmates, TaskRabbit. Number 7. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are two related technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the way information and value are stored and exchanged. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Blockchain and cryptocurrency have the potential to disrupt many industries by providing a secure, transparent, and efficient way to exchange value and information. Number 8. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. It involves the use of a combination of technologies, processes, and policies to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber threats and attacks. Cybersecurity starts with the implementation of security measures such as firewalls and encryptions to protect sensitive information and systems from unauthorized access. Number 9. Electric and autonomous vehicles. Electric and autonomous vehicles are changing the way we think about transportation and are expected to play a major role in reducing emissions, improving safety, and transforming the way we travel. Some key areas where these technologies are expected to have an impact are electric vehicles. The growth of electric vehicles (EVs) is expected to continue, driven by declining battery costs and improved driving ranges. Autonomous vehicles are expected to revolutionize the way people and goods are transported. Number 10. Robotics and drones. Robots are automated machines that can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, including manufacturing, assembly, transportation, and medical procedures. Drones are also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), are remote-controlled aircraft that can fly autonomously or be operated by a pilot. Drones can be equipped with a variety of sensors, cameras, and other technologies. Number 11. Food and agriculture technology. Food and agriculture technology refers to the use of technology to improve the efficiency, sustainability, and the quality of food and agriculture systems. This includes everything from using data and analytics to optimize crop yields to using biotechnology to develop new and more sustainable farming practices. Example of food and agriculture technology includes precision agriculture, which uses sensors and data analysis to optimize planting and fertilization. Number 12. Internet of Things (IoT). The Internet of Things (IoT) is a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronic software, sensors, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. In the future, IoT is expected to play a significant role across various industries, including healthcare. IoT devices such as wearables, sensors, and smart medical equipment will play a vital role in remote patient monitoring, treatment, and diagnosis. Number 13. Space exploration and tourism. Space exploration and tourism refer to the use of technology to explore space and development of space-based industries such as space tourism. Space exploration involves the use of spacecraft, satellites, and other technologies to explore our solar system and beyond. Space exploration and tourism are rapidly evolving industries that have the potential to change the way we think about space and our place in the universe. Number 14. Advanced materials and nanotechnology. 3D printing is expected to continue to play a significant role in shaping the future and revolutionizing various industries. Some of the ways 3D printing is expected to grow and evolve in the future include wider adoption. As the technology becomes more accessible and cost-effective, 3D printing is expected to be adopted more widely across a variety of industries such as healthcare, aerospace, construction, and more. So, innovation and technology are occasionally expected by the society. Some are successful in the long run because they solve an issue, reduce expenses, or increase production. Companies developing and delivering these cutting-edge products, services, and technologies eventually grow into profitable investment sectors. Thank you for viewing. See you at the next one.